lace you up to the time, them know see a Vibes Cartel. Representing at the anthem, not the national. Never, cause we deal with the rational.
What go on, people? It's your alien friend Zarnok and my co-host Bigfoot. Today we're upon a fancy Jamaican restaurant where them charge you extra for the same rice and peas. Me just want to know if a portion big enough for my foot. If them bring 2 string bean and call it fine dining. Me I mash up the place with a wet one.
Welcome, gentlemen. Would you like sparkling water or still?
I want water we can run. Sparkling still. Tap me no care. Just put ice. Me sweating like me the dance hall. Alien technology tell me. This man never drink anything that wasn't from a coconut.
Are you ready to put your order in?
Bro, them have jerk chicken for 50 US 50. Back in Buff Bay, my granny get jerk chicken free. Want me sweep the yard.
For 50, me expect the chicken to walk out and do the electric slide before me consume it.
Take my forward with the food. Let's see what him bring.
Boss, with the rest of it?
Exclusive people. These are dumpling from outer space. Imported from Saturn. Limited edition.
I'm still hungry. Bring me at least 3 planets more.
Reading say 0.75% bone, 25% meat, 100% disappointment.
Boss, give me a patty and a box drink. Make we stop the foolishness.
But sir, this is Michelin dining.
Michelin, me thought that a tire company. Bring me back my patty.
Lesson of today. Fancy restaurant food can't fill alien belly.
And me still hungry. Like, comment, subscribe, or me come raid your fridge.
Is that the only suit you have?
What you mean?
Why you wear the same suit from Era Circle?
We gon' dig a Brooklyn, Real bad man, they are Brooklyn.